Tape script 5.14.1.
Hello, I'm Hieng, and this is Pisat and Vuthi.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Apsara.
Nice to meet you too. When did you move to our town?
I have been here since Tuesday, so I've lived here for 3 days. I have stayed here before, so I've seen a lot of the town already.
Where have you lived before?
I have lived in Siem Reap and I've lived in Battambang. Hey, do you all go to this school?
Yes, we do. Vuthi and I have attended this school since we were 12 years old, so we have studied here for 3 years. Pisat has studied here since he was 11 years old.
Where are you living now, Apsara?
I'm living with my family at my grandmother's house. My grandmother has lived here since she was 20 years old. She has been sick for 6 months. My mother has taken care of her since we arrived.
That's really sad. I hope she gets well soon. What does your father do?
My father is a dentist. He has worked as a dentist since he was 28. He is 38 now, so he has been a dentist for 10 years. He has owned his dental practice for 2 years.
Well, I need to go home now. I haven't eaten anything yet, and I'm really hungry.
Me too. I haven't eaten anything since 6 a.m.
I have eaten my breakfast and I have done all the washing.
Okay, it was great to meet you all. See you all tomorrow.
Yes, bye.
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 Tape script 5.14.2.
Hello again, Hieng.
Hi, Apsara. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm a bit tired because I've been awake since 5:30 a.m.
Oh, I see. Why are you sitting there?
I'm waiting for Pisat and Vuthi. Miss Mom wanted to look over my homework. I had to hand it in at 9:30 a.m. Vuthi and Pisat said they would meet me at 10 a.m. I hope they turn up.
I didn't get up till 9 a.m. I'm so lazy on Saturdays. I've gotten up late on Saturday since I was 11 years old. I'm 15 years old now, so that's a long time.
Have you known Vuthi and Pisat for a long time?
I've known Vuthi since I was 10 years old, and I've known Pisat for 6 years.
Hey, here are Pisat and Vuthi.
Hi. Sorry we're late. Have you waited long?
I've waited for half an hour.
Sorry, I didn't get up till 9:30 a.m. and I didn't have time for breakfast. I haven't eaten anything since 6 p.m. last night. I'm so hungry.
Were you late going to bed because you were looking at Facebook?
No, I haven't looked at Facebook for 3 days. I've revised for my math test since Tuesday.
I looked at Facebook till 11 p.m. last night, but I've tried to revise every day this week and I've practiced my English speaking for 5 days because we have a test next Friday.
We're going to show Apsara around the town. She wants us to point out some of the best places to eat and drink. Do you want to come with us, Hieng?
Oh, sorry, I can't. I haven't seen my grandmother since Monday, and I promised my mother I would visit my grandmother today.
Okay, we'll see you on Monday.
Hold on a minute. I just need to call my mom and tell her where we're going.
That's a good idea.
Okay, I've called her. I have to call her again in an hour. She worries a lot.
Tape script 5.14.3.
1. Yes, we've caught lots of fish here. 2. I'm always in a hurry lately, so I haven't eaten here for ages. 3. Pisat has played football there since he was young.
Tape script 5.14.4.
I love this place. It's so quiet.
Yes, we've caught lots of fish here. I have fished in this river since I was 5 years old.
I haven't fished in this river for 5 weeks because I have to help my father at the weekend.
What's that place?
That's where I eat my rice porridge before school. I'm always in a hurry lately, so I haven't eaten there for ages.
My friend has worked there for 6 months. He has been sick for 2 weeks, so he hasn't been at work this week. But he did say that they serve the best rice porridge in Cambodia.
Wow, this place is great.
This is a fantastic place to come on a Saturday. Bissett has played football here since he was young.
Yes, that's right. The old football pitches have been open for a long time, but the new football pitches haven't been open for 3 weeks because of the rain. You'll find lots of students here every Saturday. I've played football much on Saturday since last year.